Hey Facebook friends, just wanted to show you this F350 that we just finished up with. This is probably, in my opinion, the toughest looking 1-ton that we've done since I've started here. The truck already came with the aftermarket front bumper and the LED lights. We do offer the same kind of upgrades as well with the Kelderman products. But I wanted to highlight, this truck has the Kelderman system front and rear. The 2-stage front. I'm going to come in here in the wheel well and show you. So the airbag is replacing the coil altogether. No more coil spring up front. And then it also comes with the Rancho 9000 series XL shock. Has the adjustable rebound clicker on it. You see it's got the mechanical controls here. This kit also levels the front end, so it actually has a drop down bracket for the track bar. We'll go back to the back. I'm going to try to actually get on the truck here so you can see how the Kelderman system is actually replacing the leaf springs all together in the back. 4-link with the airbag as well. Still has the sway bar equipped. And links for the sway bar. And then at the very back of the truck, see the Kelderman compressor system with the dryer. There's the air storage tank. And then actually both airbags for the rear have accumulator tanks as well. So I get a lot of questions if the air ride is actually worth putting on, and those kinds of questions. This truck rides amazing now with the air ride front and rear. I would say the best bang for the buck is definitely at least doing it on the rear, and it just adds that much more creature comfort to having the air ride on the front as well. And this truck is actually leveled now with the front being raised up, and it'll maintain this height with the mechanical system being able to maintain this ride height all the time. Thanks for watching the video.